Mastering military commands. Right flank, march. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit unusual outside its usual context. Right flank, march. This is a term from military jargon, but understanding it can give us insight into English structure and usage in specific settings. Let's march into the details together. Before we dissect the phrase, let's understand its components. Right flank refers to the right side of a military formation. In military terms, a flank is the side of an army, where it is often most vulnerable to attack. The direction, right, specifies which side of the formation is being addressed. March, in this context, is a command for movement. It's not just any movement, but a disciplined, synchronized forward motion typical in military drills. Combining these, right flank, march, is a command given to a unit to move in a coordinated manner, turning towards their right side before moving forward. This phrase is a perfect example of how English uses sequence and direction to convey specific actions. The order of words is crucial. Right flank, march, clearly indicates the sequence. First, identify the direction, right flank. Then execute the action, march. In everyday English, we also follow sequences and directions, albeit less rigidly. For example, turn right, then walk straight, follows a similar pattern of direction followed by action. Recognizing this structure helps in understanding and giving instructions more effectively, not just in military contexts but in everyday scenarios as well. While right flank, march, is primarily a military command, its usage extends into cultural and metaphorical contexts. In movies, books, or discussions involving strategy, leadership, or teamwork, such phrases can be used to evoke discipline, precision, and unity. Understanding these terms enriches English vocabulary and comprehension, especially for learners interested in diverse contexts like literature, cinema, or history where such expressions might be used metaphorically or to set a scene. Right flank, march, is more than a military command. It's a fascinating example of how English language constructs can be applied across different contexts, from giving directions on the street to executing precise movements in a military drill. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also shown you the richness of language used in specific settings. Keep marching forward in your language learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.